Tired of financial headlines that make your stomach churn? Inflation biting? Job market shaky? It feels like the future is financially fragile, doesn't it? But what if I told you fragile is a choice, not a destiny? Stop bracing for impact and start building impact. The old rules of financial security, they're outdated. The new rule? Future-proof your finances with skills. Skills you can learn right now. Welcome to Financial Spark. To future-proof your finances. Here, we don't just offer advice, tips, and tricks. We arm you with financial skills. We're talking about the must-have skills that will not just weather any economic storm, but thrive in it. The truth is, financial fear comes from feeling powerless. Powerless against inflation, powerless against job uncertainty, powerless against, well, life. But powerlessness is cured with knowledge, and knowledge becomes power when you turn it into skills. I will be introducing each skill, then adding actionable tips and tricks. Imagine this. Instead of dreading market dips, you understand investing and see opportunity everywhere you look. Investing tip number 1. Don't be intimidated. Start small. Even $25 a week into a low-cost index fund or ETF can compound over time. Always do your research before you invest in any fund or ETFs. Trick number 1. Automate it. Set up automatic transfers to your investment account. You'll barely miss the money, but your future self will thank you for it. Instead of living in paycheck-to-paycheck anxiety, you should master budgeting in order to build real wealth. Budgeting tip number 1. The 50/30/20 rule. 50% of your income on needs, 30% on wants, 20% on savings and debt repayment. It's simple, but a very powerful tip. If you want more drastic and fast results, change percentages as you see fit. Trick number 1. Use budgeting apps. Apps like Mint and NAB or even free spreadsheets can track your spending automatically and highlight where you're leaking money. Cut those leaks. Instead of fearing layoffs, you should develop side hustles and create multiple income streams. Side hustle tip number 1. Leverage skills you already have. Are you good at writing, design, social media? Offer freelance services on platforms like Guru.com, TopTal, People Per Hour, Behance, 99 Designs, Freelancer.com, Upwork, or Fiverr. Trick number 1. Think beyond gigs. Can you turn a hobby into a side income? Sell crafts on Etsy, offer online tutoring, design t-shirts and sell on print-on-demand websites and platforms, or even start a blog or YouTube channel around your passion. Even small side hustles add up, and diversify your income. Instead of overpaying and undervaluing your worth, you learn to negotiate everything from your salary to your bills. Negotiation tip number 1. For your salary, research industry standards on websites like Glassdoor and Salary.com before you interview or ask for a raise. Knowledge really is power. Trick number 1. Negotiate everything. Call your internet provider, insurance company, even credit card companies, and politely ask for a lower rate. You'd be very surprised on how often it works. Saving $20 or more a month on bills is like finding free money for saving or investing. These aren't just nice-to-have skills anymore. These are essential survival skills for the modern world. Skills that put you in the driver's seat of your financial future. Skills that transform you from a passive bystander to an active architect of your wealth and security. And with these tips and tricks, you can start seeing real financial progress fast. Future-proofing isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about building lasting financial resilience and strategically making your money work for you. It's about sleeping soundly knowing you're prepared, no matter what tomorrow brings. It's about freedom. Freedom to pursue your passions. Freedom to support your loved ones. Freedom to live life on your terms. And it all starts with building these essential financial skills and putting these practical tips to work. The future isn't something that happens to you. It's something you build, brick by brick, skill by skill, smart tip by smart tip. And with the right skills and these practical strategies, you have the power to build a financial future that is not just secure, but extraordinary. Stop waiting for things to get better. Make things better starting now. Welcome to the Financial Spark. To future-proof your finances. Ready to take control? Ready to start learning these game-changing skills today and implementing these money-making tips? Subscribe to future-proof your finances and hit that notification bell. We'll be breaking down each crucial skill in detail and giving you even more actionable tips and tricks in future videos. Tell us in the comments, which of these tips are you going to implement first? And what financial skill are you most excited to master?